Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be yes or no. This is quick yes or no. So you can ask any question that you have in your mind. So we will ask angels and spirit guides to answer our question, whether it is yes, no, or something else. Okay, I have written some chits also here from Angel Guidance Tarot deck. I have taken the messages and I have written in a chit. So I will use them for today's reading, and also I'm excited to use the new cards deck that I have here, the angels and gemstone guardians cards. So one guardian angel card also we will pull it, like they will give you some advice or guidance so that you can follow, and there are some affirmations also so that you can follow. Every week I will do, what I'm planning to do is every week I will do this reading. So whatever affirmations are coming, you can use for that week, and you can just see if there are any positive changes coming into your life, that you can check with them. I mean, check with the practice. Okay, every day the affirmations you are reading. So let us see, I mean, if we can get any positive changes in our life. That is what is our main thing, right? Okay, then I have 10 piles here because it is a quick pick a card reading. I've taken more piles because maybe you might be having more number of questions, right? So that is the reason I have taken the more piles, so that you will have the option to choose many piles. Okay, so but please remember that there's a one question per pile. You cannot combine the questions and ask for one card, okay, one pile. So you have to choose one question per one stone. Okay, so we have here black tourmaline, then pink quartz. This is black tourmaline, rose quartz, tree agate, lapis lazuli, carnelian, amethyst, white quartz, tiger's eye, clear quartz, and the golden quartz. So these are all the piles I have here. So whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile, and you can pause the video if you need more time. Okay, so that's all I have to say. If you need any personal reading, you can contact me. My details are given below. So that's all. First of all, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers for your lot of patience and your kind attitude towards me, even though I'm not making the videos consistently, but still you are having a lot of patience with me. Thank you so much for that, and thanks for your likes and shares. Yeah, that's all. Let's start the reading. So what I will do is, first I will pull the cards in front of you, then we can open one by one the messages. Okay, so I have 10 cards, so I will make the 10 piles first, then I can go ahead and revealing the answer for you. Okay, hope is that is okay for you. So what I will do, without wasting much time, I will fast forward whatever shuffling I am doing, because I want to do live, okay, in front of you I want to do. So that is the reason I am doing here. So I will shuffle, and I will keep the cards ready, and I will do it fast forward. Okay, so that you will get more you can save time. I will give this timestamps also in the below description. Okay, let us start shuffling, and I will take the cards for all the 10 piles. Okay, I have shuffled and I have taken out all the cards. So please say the question to the universe or spirit guides or angels. Okay, so you ask the question in your mind, and by the time I will open the cards. Okay, whoever chose this black tourmaline, so this reading is for you. Angels and spirit guides, please say yes or no. So the answer is 100%. Okay, so that means it is 100% yes. Okay, but we don't know whether it is 100% yes or 100% no, but this is depends upon this card. Okay, so the Magician. So whatever you want that you can manifest, you will manifest. So that is 100% yes for you, pile number 1. So let us see what is the angel card says. Okay, so it is Chrysocolla. Are you dealing with an inflamed or unbalanced situation? Do you have imbalances in your body? Balance your emotions through journaling, exercise, and healthy communication. Take care of your body, mind, and spirit. Yoga and meditation are beneficial. Please take a screenshot if you want. Angel of balance. So these are the affirmations that you can say. Okay, my body is healthy and in balance. My cells naturally regenerate and rejuvenate themselves so that all of my systems function harmoniously. I am calm and relaxed. I exercise regularly. I enjoy my meditation practice on a regular basis. Okay, so these are all the affirmations that you have to do, and you have to follow whatever is written in this card. Okay, next week I will know whether any changes happened in your life. We will see. Okay, whoever chose this rose quartz, this reading is for you. Let's see the answer for your question. Is it yes or no or something else? Let us ask spirits and angels. Okay, so the answer is reconsider. So that means whatever you are asking, so universe is saying that reconsider whether really you need it, really you want it, is that important in your life. Reconsider, universe is saying. Okay, justice. Okay, so definitely you will get justice in this situation, whatever question you are asking, but whatever you want you will get it. But the thing is that necessary for you, is that important for you? So reconsider, that is what universe is saying. So whatever you want you will get it, but is that worth for getting it? So just think, reconsider. So now the card is Chrysoprase. Okay, Chrysoprase. This is a new deck, friends. So I'm not used to these words. So give me some time. Okay, Chrysoprase. Do you have a broken heart? Are you feeling unloved? Take the time and nurture yourself and know you are loved by the divine. Open your heart and have more compassion for yourself and others. Take a long bath and drink plenty of water to nourish yourself. Angel of nurturing. These are the affirmations, friends. If you want, you can take a screenshot also. You can follow this every day. I am cared for, loved, and appreciated. My heart is open. I allow love to fill me up, body, mind, and soul. I willingly nurture myself and others who truly need and want my nurturing. Very nice card, friends. So you can follow whatever the guidance is given to you. Then pile 3, whoever chose this tree agate, this reading is for you. Let us see. What is the answer for your question? Is it yes or no? For you also it is reconsider. Okay, so whatever question you are asking, is it worth for asking, worth for praying? Okay, just reconsider. Let's see what tarot card you have. This is the Hanged Man. Okay, so this is hanged for a reason. This is not moving for a reason. Maybe universe is giving you more time to rethink, reconsider, okay, whether really you need this person or this job or whatever you are asking. Is it necessary for you? Is that person or the job worth for it? So just reconsider, friends. Let us see what guidance card you have here. Clear quartz. Are you trying to gain clarity? Do things seem hazy and dark right now? Is your path unclear or uncertain? Go within to see the positive in all circumstances. Focus on the matter at hand. Maintain loving thoughts surrounding your current life situation. Angel of clarity. I see my life situation clearly and from a greater perspective. I am focused in all that I do. I am lovingly conscious In every action I take, I proceed with a greater understanding of what is required of me. Okay, very nice guidance we are getting, friends. If you follow, maybe some positive changes will come into your life. I want to know the results actually. So you try and let me know. Even I will try. Today only I got this deck. I want to take this guidance seriously and I want to apply in my life. The fourth pile, which is lapis lazuli. Okay, whoever chose this pile, let us see whether the answer for your question is yes or no. Okay, answer is wait. Okay, so maybe not right now. The universe is asking wait. Maybe some things will be clear, or some things are hidden from you. So universe is asking you to wait. This is not the right time. Don't take any decision right now. So universe is saying wait. Okay, the Tower. So what I feel is wait, this is not right for you. This is no for me as of now, because the Tower card is always, it is no. Okay, so universe is also saying wait. So let us see. I mean, you wait and see. Maybe you will only say no to that person or that job or that money, whatever it is, whatever question you are asking. So maybe you will only reject it. Okay. So from my side, the answer will be no, because universe is saying wait. That means it is not positive. Okay. So the guidance card is Dalmatian Jasper. Are you having issues with loyalty? Are you building relationships with trustworthy and reliable people? Are you having issues with being faithful? Take a look at your own level of fidelity and dependability. Make a pledge to be loyal to yourself and others. Angel of Loyalty. I attract loyal, thoughtful people in and situations into my life. I am loyal to my friends and myself. I devote time and energy to building and maintaining meaningful relationships with myself and others. I trust myself fully. Okay, so definitely I feel that whatever question you asked and this guidance card is related to that. Let me know in the comments, friends. Whoever chose this carnelian, this reading is for you. Let us see what universe want to say, whether it is yes or no. Whatever question you are asking, please spirits and angels say yes or no. Okay, so the answer is maybe. So we don't know, answer is not clear. So if that is the case, maybe you can choose another pile to get more clarity. Okay, for this pile, it is answer is maybe. Let us see the cards. Okay, the Emperor. So Emperor is a very positive card. Maybe you are asking about a job or a career or a post which is very prestigious or a very much important role or a powerful role. Maybe you are asking about that. So the answer is maybe, because it is not sure, not clear. So let us see what guidance card you are getting here. Emerald. Are you embarking on a new venture? See how the cards are related. Do you wish to increase your financial security? Trust that you have the ability to be successful and prosperous. Activate your inner entrepreneur, believe in yourself, and you will reach your goals. Friends, I strongly feel that whatever question you are asking, these guidance cards are related to that. Please let me know in the comment section. Angel of Prosperity. I am blessed with abundance. I am successful in all my business pursuits. My actions come from a loving place and have beneficial results for myself and others. I am fortunate. I appreciate and enjoy my prosperity. So these are the affirmations, friends. As I told you already, you have to follow this for 1 week, and let us see if any positive changes are coming. Then we can discuss in next week's reading. So I want everybody to comment in the comment section, so that I will know whether these techniques are working, affirmations are working or not. Okay. So next pile, whoever chose this amethyst, this reading is for you. So let us see whatever question you are asking, whether the answer is yes or no. Let's see. Okay, so the answer is no. Let's see why it is no, or what all the details they want to give. Let us see. Okay, so the devil. So whatever you are asking, this is not right for you, not good for you, and this is dangerous for you, I can say. This is in future, it might harm you, so don't go for that. Okay, whatever question you are asking, it is no. So let us see the guidance card. Fluorite, have you been unable to focus on complex tasks? You are an intelligent being. You can lovingly accomplish whatever you put in your mind to. Develop your inner genius. Educate yourself in areas you feel your knowledge may be lacking. So the guidance affirmations are: Angel of Intelligence. I am an intelligent being with the ability to focus on complex tasks and figure them out. I enjoy reaching and learning new things. I am hungry to gain knowledge. I am smart enough to realize that I can always discover new information. Okay, maybe you can take the screenshot and you can do the say these affirmations every day. Okay, let us see what will happen. Okay, 1 week we will follow and we will see whether it is correct or not. Okay, so whoever chose this white agate, okay, this reading is for you. Let us see whatever question you are asking, the answer is yes or no. So the answer is maybe. Okay, let's see why it is maybe. Let us see the tarot card. It is the star. Okay, it will happen. Definitely you have to keep a hope in that it will happen, but it will take time, because star card is always positive and it is always the hope card. Okay, you should have the hope. Okay, you will have the hope that it will come into fruition, but definitely it will come, but universe is saying it might take time. That is why the answer is maybe, but the answer will be, I mean, whatever you want you will get it, but it will take time. The guidance card. Angelite, are you receiving intuitive messages? Do you wish to be more intuitive? Quiet your mind. Accept communication from angels and spirit guides. True communication includes listening, speaking, and observing. Notice messages from nature and your surroundings. Angel of communication. These are the affirmations, friends. If you want, you can take the screenshot also. I send and receive messages with ease and grace. Guidance and inspiration from my angels and other spirit guides come to me moment by moment. I interpret the messages I receive and apply them to my life with wisdom. Okay, so these are the affirmations. You can take the screenshot and follow. Whoever chose this tiger's eye, this reading is for you. Let us see whatever the question you asked the spirits and angels, whether it is yes or no. Okay, very nice. The answer is yes. So whatever question you asked, the answer is yes. So let's see the tarot card. So you got the moon card. Okay, so whatever is hidden from you, whatever is not clear for you, it will come into it will give you clarity, and the answer is yes. Whatever you are asking, everything will be solved. Whatever problems are there, whatever is hidden from you, okay, you are struggling, you are confused, everything will be clear, and the answer is yes. The guidance card. Apache tears. Are you grieving the loss of someone or something? Feel the grief and allow yourself to cry. Release the toxins from your body, mind, and emotional being. Comfort and peace are close at hand. Focus your attention on your desired outcome. Let us see the affirmations. Angel of comfort, I allow myself to feel my feelings and express them through my physical and mental actions. Tears flow easily and I am releasing pent up emotions. I am able to let go. I am comforted. I am at peace. Very nice affirmations, friends. You can follow this for 1 week. Let us see what positive changes are coming into your life. Whoever chose this clear quartz, this reading is for you. Let's see whatever question you are asking, what is the answer? Okay, whether the answer is yes or no or something else, we will see. Not the right time. So maybe this is not the right time to ask this question. Whoever chose this pile, this is not the right time to ask this question. Maybe you have to ask later. The Lovers. Okay, so definitely it is not the right time, but whatever you are thinking in your mind, it will happen, because Lovers is very very positive card. But this is not the right time. You have to wait for this. Don't give up. Okay, don't give up whatever you are asking. You have to give some time to let the universe work. Okay, so this is not the right time, but the right time will come soon. The angel guidance. Appetite. Are you feeling agitated? Is there something you find hard to swallow? Are you having digestive difficulties? Pay attention to what you are thinking or talking about while you eat. Wholesome food, thoughts, and conversations can make things easier to process and accept. The affirmations for you. Angel of digestion. My appetite is balanced and healthy, and my digestive system is functioning normally. I am at ease with my physical body. I am comfortable in my surroundings. The people and situations in my life nourish me. Okay, very nice positive affirmations, friends. You all should follow, even I will follow. Okay, let us see what positive changes we will get in our lives. Okay, so we are one community, one family, so we all will follow, and we will see what positive changes are coming in our lives. Okay, so this is a golden quartz. Whoever chose this golden quartz, this reading is for you. Whatever the question you asked, the answer is yes or no. Let's see. Angels and spirit guides, please give us some guidance and clarity. The answer is yes or no. Okay, so the answer is no. So we'll see why it is no. Okay, the Hierophant. Okay, this is also a maybe card. Okay, maybe you are asking about a person or a marriage or a money or a power or a job or a finances, whatever the question it is. So the answer is no, because you yourself are self-sufficient. Okay, so you don't need anybody's help or anybody's support. So the answer is like no, because you no need of them or the job or whatever you are asking. So the answer is no. Angel's guidance card. Apophyllite. Okay, I don't know whether I'm pronouncing correctly or not. Apophyllite. Do you wish to gain a better understanding of a situation? It's time to meditate. Sit in silence. Open your consciousness. Listen for your soul's truth and embrace it with judgment. Mental clarity and self acceptance are gifts of regular meditation practice. Okay. So the affirmations here are: Angel of meditation. I am blessed with great mental clarity. I clear my mind effortlessly and intimately know and trust my inner truth. I accept myself without judgment. I meditate regularly with great ease and enjoy being insightful. Very nice affirmations, friends. Let us see, we follow and we will see. After 1 week we will know, we will say in our comment section. Let us see whether the positive changes will come into our life or not. Okay, that's all I have for you. So if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will try to bring more and more different decks, so that I can give more interesting readings for you all. It's my promise. Okay, that's all I have for you. Until the next reading, bye.